They left taste tests on the center's raised ledge. Welcome to Quick Twists on Fluent American, where we take a look at one or two sounds in American English pronunciation and study it with a practice sentence. My name is Geoff, and today we're looking at the A sound and the S sound, like taste versus test. You need to open your mouth wide, raise the front of your tongue in the middle of your tongue, and drop the back. A, like in take, take. To make the sound, your mouth will be more closed, and also the front and middle of your tongue will be high. The back will droop down slightly. It should sound like like in test, test. My biggest suggestion is to close your mouth more, make sure your lips are straight, and also raise the front and middle of your tongue a little higher. Test. Taste, test, taste, test. Waste, west, waste, west. Say, said, say, said.
1, 2, 3.
They left taste tests on the center's raised ledge. Ledge, raised ledge. They left taste tests. They left taste tests on the center's raised ledge. That concludes this Fluent American Quick Twist. For more information on the A, and many other sounds in American English pronunciation, check out our website at fluentamerican.com, or other videos also in our YouTube channel, where we take a look at these sounds in a lot more specific detail. I also encourage you to join our Facebook page, so that way you can join our community, make posts, and get quick corrections on some of your own pronunciation. My name is Geoff. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in our next video. You take care.